In this video, we'll look at Rafay's token factory. From the end user's perspective, getting started is simple. After learning about the offering, a user can sign up through self-service in just a few seconds. Once logged in, they receive free trial credits. They can browse the available models, review model details, and select one to get an OpenAI compatible API endpoint. That means they can plug it directly into their existing application code and start using it right away. They can also open the playground, choose a model from the dropdown, adjust settings, and interact with it directly through the integrated chat interface. Under usage, they get detailed insights into which models they've used and how many tokens they've consumed. When they run low on credits, they can go to billing, provide their credit card details, and top up their wallet in just a few clicks. Now, from the operator's perspective, they can deploy a new model with just a few clicks and then share the deployment with one or more tenants. Operators also have a centralized usage and revenue dashboard, making it easy to track revenue by tenant and by model.